Your AI team. One command. ClawHQ is a self-hosted agent control plane. 30 pre-wired agents ready in 2 minutes. No vendor lock-in. You own the infrastructure. 3 commands. Git clone, run the installer, confirm your Anthropic key. Docker pulls 5 services. The whole stack is running before you'd finish reading the docs. Postgres, OpenClaw, OpenFang, Hermes, dashboard. 5 services, pre-configured, talking to each other. 1 compose file. Nothing to wire up. Every control in one place. Active agents, live channels, orchestration rules, spend limits, access policies, activity log. Nothing hiding behind a support ticket. Felix gets a task. Routes it to researcher and content bot in parallel. You see the cost and output the moment it's done. No black box. 3 commands. Your agents, your infrastructure, your data. Try it at tryclawhq.com.